Hi, my name is Grant Dixon. I represent people who've been involved in serious personal injury matters and have been doing nothing but that for nearly 30 years. One of the most common questions I get asked I have here for you today, and that's how do I get my police report? When you've been involved in a serious crash, getting your police report can be really important. Most police departments have them available online. You can just go to their website and it'll tell you the service. There's 2 or 3 that are most common. Or you can contact the police department by phone, and sometimes they'll make them available for you just to come and pick them up for a small fee. Finally, you can do what's called a Freedom of Information Act request, and that Freedom of Information Act request will allow you to get those police reports for a small charge, even if you've not been involved in that particular crash. One thing's really important. When you're speaking with a personal injury lawyer, you need to have that police report so that they can review the facts and see what's happened. At Dixon Law Office, we've been representing people who've been involved in car crash cases for almost the first day, and so we are happy to help you, but you need to contact us first. You can reach us on the web at attorneysmakingitright.com and chat with a member of our team there, and you can submit your police report there. Or you can call us at 888-354-9880 and make an appointment to come in. Because when everything goes wrong, we make it right.